Yeah, he's went up in 51.
51 on which team?
Cyclone.
Ah, my son plays for these guys. He just got done playing. So he's actually line judging over there. 46 being a goofball jumping up and doing the flag.
How much you charge into a house?
Depends on the price. Usually like a typical 3,000 square foot house. Every 2 weeks.
Right.
Usually about 300 for the first week. 35 every 2 weeks. Weekly's like 115, or give you like every 4 weeks. So how big your house? That's like a typical one.
Which is it's like 5 minutes from your office.
Yeah. Oh, and thank you for letting me know.
So they were there still in the morning. When I got in it, I had a bag of recycled stuff, and I looked and it's all gone. I thought they were coming later on.
Oh, is it next Friday maybe? It was, you know what? I bet it's next Friday because I'm going out of town to a convention, and the girl who usually runs that crew is coming with me. I bet it's next Friday. Because she's the one who wanted to set it up.
I'll talk to her with the food commander and see if I can do the house too.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that'd be great. Great. Yeah, we're so busy this time of year, so.
I'm trying to talk to the law firm because they're not, I asked them who they use, and he gave me the name after the name, but he didn't tell me they got happy with them, but they're okay. So.
I always hope that what makes us a little different is we clean offices the way we clean a house. And most oil companies literally they don't actually clean it. So if you screw up that how we actually fix it, and my experience has been with other companies that they're like, oh no, it's clean. And I'm like, because I hired people that work for the companies when I first started 7 years ago, and they would do it to me. They never said clean, like I told you. But it's not clean. I hope that's what makes us such a good fit.
The guy, one of the lawyers, my neighbor called.
Yeah, one of these days I'm going to take you up on your services too. Andy's always singing your praises. I'm trying to keep everything as tight as I can. Probably for about another year. So we're going through a lot with my little monitors, and my youngest is awesome. So going through a lot with his schooling right now.
Yeah, I have a couple of friends who
Two retired families.
Yeah.
So now I'm saving for another person. So yeah, we pinch every penny.
Oh, sure.
I'm the chief everything officer, you know. Payroll, marketing, accounting, I'm there. So anyway, that's good. Well,
You guys do great. So.
see you guys in a lot of these tournaments, huh?
Yeah, well, he just started playing this year with the club. So
So did I.
he played Paris Park last week, and now